Hey, this is the Nightmare, or just Guild Boss in general. This is the Laya and Laurel strat. So basically, just cycle Laurel and Laya to get Zilitu's ult as much as you can. So it's like permanently on. So for this, you do need Laya. Elowen's useful because of her passive rage regen. I think it's this one. Yeah. Let me see. Laurel is also needed. Promotion 5. That's when you get the this effect. And then if you have it, Hollow. You definitely do want to max her skill for this one specifically. Artifacts, they don't really matter. I do like Orb, but for Leia, you really need to max out Spirit Horn. Builds really quick. Leia. She is an attack-based healer. This might be too much though, because you want Hollow. What the heck? Okay. I don't know why that's on her, but you really want Hollow to be the one being your main healer, so that she can apply this. Because if she's not healing or doing anything, she doesn't generate rage. So it's kind of like you really need her to be doing something. That's why for her stats, she's an attack-based healer, but I got like as low attack as I can. My main priority is attack speed and rage regen. This does come into conflict with Leia, who I actually have built because I actually use her. So we're gonna go to Guild Boss, and this will be the team that I use. You don't have to use it exact same. This is just the process of how it works. So we have Zilitu, the main damage dealer. Hex and Cetrum. Cetrum's mostly for the shield breaks. Dolores, because that's Dolores. And then we have all these healers. Again, not Hollow is like the main healer that you do need. Elowen's just like a bonus for me. I don't know how her passive rage regen works with the others. I think it stacks. I'm not too sure though. So one more thing, Zilitu. One of her skills is if she's blocking someone. Let me see. Not that one. There. Block targets take 20% more damage. So generally you do want her in the front, but for this strategy you want her in the back, because the way the layout works out, Dolores is always going to be in that one corner, and then Laurel, if we go to attributes, her range right here, I don't know how to zoom in. So she rage regens when you recall her or she dies. That only works in her immediate area. So those 9 blocks around the center where she is the ones that gets affected. The very front row, those 3 at the very front, they aren't affected by that passive. Going into game. Okay, very quick. I'm going to place Zilitu first, and then I'm going to place Dolores, and then Laurel. The reason is Zilitu is the main damage dealer, and both Laurel and Dolores have my invigoration set. So I wanted specifically targeting Zilitu. So Zilitu will go down, Dolores will go down, and her invigoration set will apply to Zilitu. I don't know if those things stack. I'm pretty sure they might. But if not, Laurel's invigoration set will just apply to Dolores, and that's not bad because you want as much attack on Dolores as you can anyways. So place her there. Dolores, Laurel. After that, I'm gonna place Pyros, Hex, Cetrum, Elwyn. Again, you don't need Elwyn. Like I said, she's just there as a test for me. I want to see if she actually helps me get Zilitu's ult up faster. So instead of her, if you have like a 4th DPS, you put them right here, or rearrange them. So if it is another range person, I would put them in place of Pyros, and then move Pyros or Twin Field over here. Only because I want the DPS, the core DPS, to have the Dolores buff. I don't really care about Pyros or Twin Field having Dolores buff. They're only there to support Zilitu. Okay, so Zilitu's ult is up. Pyros' ult is almost coming up. And then both Hex and Cetrum are at 50. So if I recall Laurel, both their ults will be up, as well as Dolores. So what I'm going to do is I'll use Zilitu's first, recall Laurel, activate Hex, Cetrum, and then Pyros. The reason is Pyros has the Focus Fire ult, so the more people joining him, the more damage his mark will do. After Laurel, I will put Laya down, and then I will use Laya's ult first, and then I'm going to use Hollow's ult. Hollow will have her ult when Laurel gets picked up, but the reason is Laya is in like a full healing set, so she's going to be able to heal everybody, and Hollow will not do anything. So her ult will be wasted, basically. So Zilitu, I'm going to drop her down now, activate Dolores, and then make that faster. Laya, then Hollow. Pick her up, use Pyro's ult. I probably could have waited for Zilitu to come up, but you know, that's how it goes. I'm actually gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for these two. Now I'll pick her up. Get the most out of everything, you know? Get Laya down. Then I'll activate them, and then Laya. I did not see Hex ult was coming up, but hey. Now I'll activate his ult. Followed by that. Bring in Laurel. And you basically just go through the ults whenever they're up, honestly. You just do, well, in my case, I have to watch out for Hollow and Leia. I'm not gonna do this. So I use Leia first for a reason. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Now I'm gonna do that. Sorry for all the tap spams. Okay, so really quick, sorry. It's hard to keep track of everything while talking. So for that purpose, both Leia and Laurel was up, but I'm already at 3rd shield, and I'm not comfortable with my current gear set and damage that I can just freely use everyone's ult. So for that reason, I went for Leia to get the Setrum ready, because he's my main shield breaker. After that, I used Laurel, as well as everyone else's. Zilitu's up again. Since we are near the end, I will opt for Laurel instead to just get everybody up. Oh, Pyro's dead. That usually doesn't happen. He usually stays alive, but like I said, talking and playing a little bit too hard here. For me, at least. Alright, we're gonna skip all that nonsense. And that's the basic gist of everything. It's not that hard, it's just a lot to manage. So I think I will do this again, just without talking, so you can see it better, and hopefully my Pyros doesn't die this time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do another run for Nightmare 4, just without talking, so I can actually like focus on it. And I explained it earlier. Now you get to see it, see the run without me talking up a storm.
Dance with my mother's roots strike up and take you.
Let's see what the card.
For mother.
To open fire.
The dawn is
Where the feet.
fear, the true dawn. It is
This world shall burn.
I'll serve you right.
Draw and
All life. The song of life. Come on. This dawn is as my mother's roots strike will not be silenced. My song.
I'll serve you right.
Symphony. It is fine. The song of life. My heart will not be silenced. My heart will not be silenced. My mother's roots.
Shall we? My enemy
My daggers feed on
My song will stand.
this world shall burn.
Symphony of life.
I'll serve you right.
Gather round. My heart will not be the mother's. The mother tree is living.
My enemy is dead.
Intruders targeted.
We break free from the shackles of fate. For now.
Oh, so I should have read. I should have read before saying anything, but it just says when Light of Bliss is activated. It doesn't say anything about her needing to heal, so I'm pretty sure you could have Hollow and Leia's ult both going at the same time, and the rage regen will just stack. But yeah, it doesn't say anything about needing to heal, so just says activated. So learn something new. Alright, hopefully that helps you. I'm off to play Mortal Kombat. Good night, or good morning, or evening. Oh, so I should have read. I should have read before saying anything, but it just says when Light of Bliss is activated. It doesn't say anything about her needing to heal, so I'm pretty sure you could have Hollow and Leia's ult both going at the same time, and the rage regen will just stack. But yeah, it doesn't say anything about needing to heal, so just says activated. So learn something new. Alright, hopefully that helps you. I'm off to play Mortal Kombat. Good night, or good morning, or evening.